Today we are having the Family Sunday, which is a monthly event at the museum. It's the third Sunday of every month, and we welcome all keiki and their ohana in the doors to do art activities and other fun programming. We are super lucky to be corporate partners with Aqua-Aston, and it's a long-term relationship that's been going on for a number of years. For their company, I know that they have a corporate social responsibility program into a number of initiatives, and the one that impacts us the most is their arts and culture focus.
We're here to share the message with our keiki about how they can care for the environment. We're hoping today to plant the seed of knowledge that little acts of aloha can really make a big difference in preserving our oceans and keeping everything beautiful for generations to come in Hawaii.
For this installation, the focus is a lot on single-use plastic, and the marine debris that we chose was also things that the children would recognize in their houses. Things like plastic toothbrushes, plastic hangers, the jugs that you get from your laundry soap, things that they would really look at and say, huh, I have this in my house. You know, just the awareness of that something is plastic and looking at an alternative. Aqua-Aston put a bunch of messages in the bottle that all relate to sustainability and your environment and ways that you could repurpose things, and really just pausing for a moment and saying to these kids, this is a plastic bottle, we've used it once, and now what?
So they're going to take that message in the bottle and they can actually repurpose that water bottle that their message came in and create a planter. So we're going to give them the soil and sunflower seeds and instructions so that they can take it home as a DIY kit to do with their parents.
It's really important with keiki that we give them the opportunity to touch and feel things and really engage their senses.
Aqua-Aston Hospitality is very committed to caring for our environment, and so we're really happy to be here and part of this event to share this message with our keiki, with our kids of the future, so that they can learn about ways that they can care for our environment.